Minister Zappone's statement makes very clear that she did in fact brief Cabinet colleagues as regards Maurice McCabe and Tusla. And of course this goes against the government line that has been spun all day today. I think now that Frances Fitzgerald, Minister for Justice, needs to immediately make a statement on these matters. Catherine Zappone says she briefed relevant Cabinet colleagues. No Cabinet position is more relevant than that of Justice, and therefore I believe that Frances Fitzgerald was less than forthcoming with the truth on the floor of the Dáil yesterday in response to a question from myself. I also believe that she knowingly brought before the Dáil terms of reference for a commission of investigation that are insufficient, that are not fit for purpose. We need answers to those matters. The Tanaiste needs to correct the record of the Dáil, I believe. And if she's not prepared to do that, I believe that her position would be untenable. These are very serious matters. And at this very late stage, the very least that we can expect, the very least that Maurice McCabe and his family can expect from government is truthfulness, and not the kind of game playing and the evasion that we've seen over the last number of days. It really is astonishing that the government has taken this approach.